What you're seeing here is not a tourist area. This is a local beach access where Herbie spends a lot of mornings. Later in the video, you may see more trash. That's because he often goes to quieter, less crowded spots that many of the locals don't even go to. For solitude, thinking, exercising, or to fly his drone without bothering a lot of people.
So I usually come out here to the beach to think and problem solve. The ocean has washed away my bench where I usually sit when I want to ponder and problem solve. No network connection. Oh, here we go. So I'll just stand out here and think about it. But I tell you, I already had a pretty good idea because I did a lot of walking this morning. I don't know if y'all can see that cruise ship out there. So I have a friend of mine that's got a short-term rental, and the business has really been slow lately. She's got 3 properties. And I'm trying to think of ways that I can help her save it because she's only got 5 days. What's the day? She's only got to the end of the month. So the idea that I was working on last night, so I built an app that helps streamline calling local businesses to see if they're interested in having a discounted place to take their staff, their workers, little corporate for meetings, business meetings, or also contacting event planners to see if they would be interested in a location that has a lot of, well, you got 3 different properties, so you actually got a selection. But one has a lot of space and nice outdoor area, pond, finished basement, pool, that kind of pool, ping pong. There's the ship. Maybe I'll show y'all some of the drone footage. Can't go too far because I picked the wrong battery that's dying. There's the ship coming. There's my man fishing. Where's the ship? Where is the ship? Oh. Can't go too far that way. Yeah, so that's for direct outreach, but like I said, it's an app, so it's going to help come up with the list of businesses in the area, and that can actually be in any area, because of course I made it so that if it's helpful, that other people can use it as well. Why spend all that time and effort on something that's only good for one person at one time? But also, today I was thinking about a subscription model. How about offer people the ability, this is where you come in, you can pay $20 a month to have a date at the property, any date that's not on the blackout dates, which would obviously be the most booked dates, like holidays, furniture market, stuff like that. Whoa. A bird just tried to attack the drone. Don't worry, I got to record it. Yeah, subscription model, $20 a month, and you can pick any day on the calendar that's not already picked, so you have to go ahead and get in because other people will probably find this interesting if they're planning on visiting. Boat pulled out of that one.
Tourist areas and even local beach restaurants here look very different.
Where is this thing?
Any litter is picked up and beach sand is raked daily before you get up. It's what you'd expect to see as a visitor. Beach chairs, umbrellas, manicured beaches, restaurants, bars, vendors, and happy faces. But today, there is a business in trouble.
I don't know if you can see that perfect landing. Oh, look, so here it is, right? So when I get back, I think I'm gonna work on this app where you can create a subscription. You got two options. You can pay $20 a month, get any date on the calendar that's not already taken and that's not in blackout. And you can stay there for 24 hours for just that $20 a month. And that's, so if you wanna do it, you know, however long you wanna do it, you can start today. Basically, yeah, that's how we could do it. You can start today. Now, I hadn't thought about that part. Like, you can't pay 1 month and then go stay there. So that's the thing. That's good. You have to think at least 6 months ahead. That's it. That's how it's gonna work. January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah. So if you wanted it for January, February, March, April, May, June, if you wanted it for June, you need to sign up now. January, February, March, April, May, June. If you wanted it for June, you need to start now. You have to have paid 6 months in advance, or you can just go ahead and pay. That's how we'll do it. Because I mean, obviously, you know, these are $300, $400, and $800 profits. They're not $50 profits per night. I'm talking about. So you get to stay in there for just $20 a month. Subscription. You have to have paid 6 months in advance. Or if you want to pay up front, it's just $120. And if you pay $120 up front, I will have to confirm with her and get her to go along with this. Then within 3 months, you can go ahead and stay there. Within 3 months, you can go ahead and, after 3 months, you can go ahead and stay there. So in other words, January, February, March, you can go ahead and stay there. And then for an additional $10, again, this is what I'm thinking. Additional $10, then for the first 24 hours, oh, by the way, after the first night stay at that rate, that's included for what you're prepaying for, then the next night, up to 2 nights after that, so 3 total. 2 nights after that is 50% off of the normal price. But again, remember these are $300, $400, and $800 profits. It's a good deal. You can't beat the deal. You're saving a lot of money, over 50%. You're saving like 60, 70, 80%, depending on how long. Then you also, for $10 a month, you have free transportation wherever you want to go within the city for the first 24 hours as well. I think it's reasonable, and it's a win-win for both people on both sides. It helps her get some money in, and it helps you all have a killer deal. So that's what I'm going to propose. And we'll see how it goes. Low battery. All right. Peace. Feedback. What do y'all think? What do you think? Are you interested? If you're interested, I'll have a wait up list. If you're interested, comment on the video. So give me some feedback. Give me an idea. Let me know something. If you want to see the place.
If any of you wanted to start an online business but you didn't know where to start, Hervey is starting the YouTube channel bootcamp February 1st. You'll create 3 digital assets, one of them being your own YouTube channel. Hervey created an app that helps you with channel name, channel focus, unique angle of the channel based on your interests or passions, 30 days of titles and scripts based on that angle, and beautiful thumbnails that goes with each video. You also get a dashboard for easy organization and progress tracking, with weekly meetings for updates and Q&A. No more excuses. Link in the description. Get in now before it's shut down for February access. Perfect for people who like the idea of investing in themselves and freedom. Have a great day.